Hello everybody. We're going to try out this MixCam app for the iPhone 11 Pro Max is what I'm using. And it'll work with other iPhones as long as you have iOS 13, I believe, on there. Now, the only thing about doing a demonstration like this, I have to show my ugly mug, which is what you're seeing here. Okay, so I have to do that. And it's windy as hell out today. But, there are some advantages of having an ugly mug like me, is that I never have to worry about hot chicks asking me to change their flat tire. Okay, so that is an advantage that's kind of built in with having a mug like mine. Okay, so we're going to go in here and look around in Best Buy for a minute and see what the deal is. Let's do it. And it's cold too. Okay, so we're gonna survive. We're gonna survive it, man. We're gonna deal with it. Yes, indeedy. Now this is one of the views, and there's multiple views of this thing. This is a great app for $3. It's $2.99 at the App Store. But it has other views to it too. So it has the split screen and, a little bit more, a little bit less on one side than the other. And then you can switch them back and forth. And then it also gives you the zoom button right there, see? I can zoom in on what I want to look at right there. So that's real nice too. So let's go on in. There's the printer junk. See, I'll show you the zoom feature here in the store. See that? That's cool, that's cool, that's cool. I think they've moved all the drone stuff. Let me change the view. So you can change the view like this. But you can't change these views on the fly, okay? So, but you can still zoom in on one of the views, like this one here. I can zoom in on that view right there. This is really a great little app here for $3. I mean, how can you go wrong for $3? Oh, here's some of those filters I was just reviewing, but not these. I got the $20 ones. These are the $50 ones. I actually mentioned these while I was doing the review of the filters for the... These are Mavics, but for the GoPro, I did some. I can't believe that Karma Grip is still $300. Do you believe that? I think the GoPro 7 does such a good job. I never even used the Karma Grip. There's the Mavics and all that mumbo jumbo. Looks like the Evo went up $50. Probably for the tariff. Here's some bags. But, yeah. Let me check another view out. Here's another view here, which is a smaller box. Here's this GoPro accessories here. And then here you can zoom in too. Right there, in and out. On stuff that you would want to zoom in and out on. I have all of this stuff, so. Oh, I know what I might need. I might need another memory card. I'm always needing them things. Here we go. Here we go. Okay, here we go. What is this? 128 gig. What is it? $30, which is really not that bad. $30. Let me see what kind of speed we got here. 170. I don't know. I don't know if I need that. I mean, that's $50. That one's only 30. don't know if I need to go to that. There's a 256. I think this will do good enough. This is for the new Xeno. I think this one's going to be good enough. Yeah, it's a U10 or whatever. Yeah, that's going to be good enough. Ooh, there's one of those ring light kits. I never seen nothing like that here. That's $69. That's pretty cool. Wow. Tripods. Looking for a, I don't know, a mic or something. Oh, they don't have many over here. Here they got some. They got one mic. It's $50. Two, three ring. Let me see this. Well, I have to look into this thing here. Well, I'm going to try this microphone here because I'm really not happy with the microphones. I think this one's powered, and I'm not happy with the ones that I've been using with that adapter for the Osmo Pocket. So I'm going to try this powered one. I think that's what this is. That's why it has that little thing there. I think it's powered. So I'm going to try it out. We'll see what happens. Who knows? Let me change the view again. There you go. This is another view. And it gives you the zoom in and out option right there. Just like the other ones. But the only problem is that now my mug is bigger. The ugly mug has grown. It's swelling up. Well, let's look over here at the toys and see if they got anything. Usually they don't. I might have to get one of these DS. Oh, this is the DS, or not DS, Switch. This is the Switch Lite. Now this is the one that will only, it won't hook to the TV. So this is just a handheld right here. And that's pretty nice, man. That is pretty nice. Man, that thing's real nice. Boy, I like the feel of that. Wow. That'd be nice to mess around with. I might have to pick me one of them up. $199. That's not bad. Wow. Pretty slick. Pretty slick. $199. I might be picking one of them up soon. Anything over here? No. All junk. Unless you like Spider-Man. Anyway, so that's about it. I just wanted to show you guys this app. And it's only $3. I mean, how can you go wrong with that, right? If you can't afford $3, you got problems. Okay, so, and I'm sure they have this, because on the Android side of things, which I don't use, but they have some nice ass phones on that end. But they have the Samsungs and those types of the newer higher end phones. They have the multiple cameras in there too, so I'm sure you're going to be able to get an app like this for that if they haven't already have zillions of them. So this is not like some kind of iOS exclusive. Those Android phones are nice too, and they have those kind of apps. So you'll be able to get this kind of app over there too. I think it's pretty slick, to be honest with you. I really like it. All right, guys, I'll talk to you later. Have a nice day.